everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Computer Education Pakistan. Today, our topic is Colors of Pakistan, Unit 7, Grade 4, Part 10, based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Language focus, vocabulary building. Read the given words with their meanings. Culture. The meaning of culture is a way of life or customs and beliefs of people. Tradition, a belief, custom or way of living. Distinctive meaning is special and unique. Cheerful meaning is happy. Dominate, effective. Compound words. Read the given compound words. Fingerprint, fingerprint. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Circle the compound words in the given sentences. My father brought strawberries for me. The compound word is strawberries. I wrote a letter to my friend in my notebook. The compound word in this sentence is notebook. There are many sunflowers in the garden. The compound word in this sentence is sunflower. What is your password? The compound words in this sentence is password. Sarah likes to eat cupcakes. The compound word in this sentence is cupcakes. The shopkeeper is wasting my time. In this sentence, shopkeeper is a compound word. Learning to spell. Circle the correct spelling in each row. Artistic or artistic or artistic. The answer is artistic. Religious or religious or religious. It's religious. Sacrifice or sacrifice or sacrifice. It's sacrifice. Festival, festival or festival. It's festival. Hospitality, hospitality or hospitality. It's hospitality. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.